Breakups suck, and there's no way around them other than going through the hoops. As painful as it is right now, we want you to know that it won't always be this way. Here are the 7 stages of heartbreak. 1. Obsession for answers. We often yearn for closure because the confusion hurts too much. But closure doesn't always come, and more importantly, it doesn't change the outcome. You might be determined to gather answers from your ex-partner's family, friends, or coworkers, but eventually, playing detective gets old. Which is why you move to stage 2, denial. You might have stopped searching for clues and answers, but this doesn't mean you're ready to accept things just yet. It's too much for you to process still, so you're avoiding it for now, hoping it's just a bad dream you'll wake up from. 3. Sorrow. But no matter how hard you try denying the truth, it eventually catches up to you. You start asking yourself, why me? And this time, you really let the waterworks out. 4. Relapse. So, you finally manage to see the breakup is really happening, but you're not ready to let them go. You try to win them back and come up with a million reasons why they should still be with you. 5. Anger. But it doesn't work. You feel fed up and angry about the situation. You start holding on to grudges because it's better than not holding on to anything at all. 6. Acceptance. But even then, you eventually grow tired of resenting your ex. So you try something healthier by accepting the breakup for what it is. You're not necessarily happy about it, but you're no longer bitter either. 7. Hopefulness. Breakups can leave us feeling scarred and doubtful. But the heart knows how to mend over time. When you're ready, you start dating again and see your past relationship as a lesson. It's important to remember that all the heartbreak you go through should be taken as an experience. Each one brings you one step closer to finding that perfect one. Are you going through a breakup? If so, which stage are you in? Please share your thoughts with us below. For breakup tips, check out our video here. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and share this video with others. With your help, we can reach more people and provide our support. Thanks for watching!